Hi kids, this week we're going to be talking about money. So maybe at home you can use real money to have a visual or something to look at while you're working on this week's homework. Okay, so let's get started. Counting coins and money. What is money? We use money to purchase needs and wants. So whenever you guys go to Walmart or to H-E-B and see something you want, you need money to buy it. For example, you need money to buy LOL dolls, or need money to buy Pokemon cards or Blades or any of those toys that you guys like. You need money to buy them. There are two different main forms of money. There's coins and there's dollars. Now let's look at the coins first. Okay, there are four main types of coins. There's pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Each coin has a different value or amount, or is worth a different amount of money. Let's start with the penny. A penny is made out of copper. It is brown. A penny is worth, says it in the back of the penny, 1 cent. Abraham Lincoln, our 16th president, is in the front of a penny, and the Lincoln Memorial is on the back of the penny. A nickel is made out of nickel and it is silver. How much is a nickel worth? Again, this one again says it in the back of the nickel. It is worth 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. And this is Thomas Jefferson, our third president. He is in the front of the nickel, and on the back of the nickel is Jefferson's home, the Monticello. A dime. The dime is the smallest in size. It is made out of copper and nickel, and it is silver. A dime is worth 10 cents. Franklin Roosevelt is in the front of the dime. He was our 32nd president of the United States. And on the back of the dime, there's a torch with fire, and there are 2 olive branches. And a quarter. A quarter is made out of nickel and copper, and it is also silver. It is one of the biggest coins. It is worth 25 cents. On the front of the quarter, you will find George Washington, which is our first president of the United States. And in the back, there's an eagle, and underneath is an olive branch. Okay, so here's a video that I would like for you guys to watch. Instead of me playing it here, I'm going to put the link on the website so you guys can watch it. Okay, so there are different ways to make a nickel. Okay, as we know, a nickel is 5 cents. But what if we need 5 cents and don't have a nickel? We can use pennies to make 1 nickel. So each penny is 1 cent. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies to make 5 cents or a nickel. Okay, so a nickel is the same as 5 pennies. How can we make a dime? A dime is 10 cents. Okay, we can use 2 nickels to make 10 cents. 1 nickel is 5 cents, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. Or we can use 10 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to make a dime. How can we make a quarter? A quarter is 25 cents. We can use 25 pennies. Because each penny is 1 cent, we need 25 to make a quarter. We could also use 5 nickels. Okay, so they're each worth 5 cents, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Or we could use 2 dimes and 1 nickel. Each dime is 10 cents, so 10, 20, and then this one's worth 5, 25. So we can do all of this, either use pennies, nickels, or dimes and nickels to make a quarter. All right, here's another video about dollars. Okay, it is important to know that $1 equals 100 cents. Okay, So again, I'm going to put this link on the website so that you guys can watch this video. All right, so now let's practice a little with the board. I'm going to show you some coins and we're going to add them up to see how much we have in total. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed some real coins so that I can have a visual, so I can look at the real object. So I have a quarter, I have a dime, I have a penny, and I have a nickel. Okay, so before we start counting money, I want to make sure that you guys know how you're supposed to write it in your homework or whenever you have to write the amount or something. What is the correct way to write it? Okay, so this is the money sign, right? The dollar sign. Okay, there's going to be a number here. There's going to be a decimal and another number here. Okay, the number in front of the point or the decimal is the amount of dollar bills you have. For example, if I have $6, I would put 6 here, and if I have 13 cents, I would put it after the decimal. So the number before the decimal is the amount of dollars, and the numbers after the decimal are the cents. Okay, so if I have $10.25, okay, $10.25. The $10 would go in front of the decimal, and the 25 cents will go after the decimal. Okay, $10.25. If I only have $10 and I don't have any cents, then on the cents side, you would put 0, 0. That means I only have $10 and no cents. Okay, what if I don't have any dollars and all I have are cents? Then you would put nothing here and you would put your cents after the decimal. So let's say I only have 20 cents. I would put 20 right here. Or you could just erase all of this and put the 20 and the cents symbol. Do you guys remember what the symbol for cents is? Okay, well, it is a C and then a line across it. So that is 20 cents. So in your homework assignments, if you have dollars, I want you to write it like this. Okay, and if it's only cents, you could just use the cents symbol. Okay, so if it was 16 cents, you would put it in front of the cents symbol. Remember, the number goes in front of the cents. So the number goes first, 35, and then you put the cents symbol. Okay, do not put the cents symbol in front of the number. So for example, 35 cents. That's not the correct way to do it. Okay, has to be the number first and then the symbol. Okay, so now we can get to counting coins. All right, let's say that I have a quarter, a dime, and let's do 2 pennies. All right, a quarter, a dime, and 2 pennies. So I'm just gonna draw it out to help me. A quarter is 25 cents. Okay, a dime is 10 cents, and then I have 2 pennies, which are 1 cent each. Okay, now I have to figure out how many do I have in total. So I just add them up step by step. 25 plus 10. All right, 25 plus 10. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. 35. Okay, I'm not done because I still have these two. All right, now 35 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 3. 36. And 36 plus the other one. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3, 37. So all of this equals 37 cents. All right. Remember, if you need to pause the video to keep looking at this, you can press pause. Let's try a different example. Let's say that I have 2 quarters. Okay, oops. 2 quarters, 1 dime. Let me fix this real quick. 2 quarters, 1 dime. Let's do 1 nickel and 1 penny. All right. So I'm gonna start with the biggest, the coin that has the biggest amount. In this case, a quarter. Okay. So I have 2 quarters. 25, 25. Okay. I have 1 dime, 10, and I have 1 nickel and 1 penny. Okay. All right. So 25 plus 25, 5 plus 5 is 10, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 50, all right, 50 plus 10, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 1, 6, 60, 60 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 6 plus 0, 6, 65, and 65 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. So the answer is 66 cents in total. All right, now let's try doing one with dollars. One that where we include dollar bills. Okay, let's say that I have a $5 bill. Okay, I have a $1 bill, and I have a quarter, a dime, and a penny. Okay, all right, so I have a $5 bill, a $1 bill, a quarter, a dime, and a penny. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna start with the dollar bills. I have 5 and 1. That is $6. Remember the dollar symbol. The dollar symbol goes in front of the 6. Okay, so this is $6. Now we put the decimal. Now we add the cents. 25 plus 10, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 35 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 0, 36, 36 cents. So we put it after the decimal. That we don't have to put the cent symbol on this one because it's already with the dollar bills. So the total of this is $6.36. Okay, so now I want you guys to practice at home. Practice, 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 and you'll get better. If you have any questions, please send me a message. Bye.